Your PC is on, the fans are running, but your monitor is not receiving any signal. If you're currently experiencing this one, let me show you a quick solution. Coming up. There are several reasons that's why your PC is at this kind of state, but before we begin, let me just inform you that there are 4 common components that are causing this problem. Number 1, the cable. Number 2, the monitor. Number 3, the RAM sticks. And lastly, the power supply. But before we blame any of these components, it's better to check them one by one. First, let's check out your DVI, HDMI, or DisplayPort cables, depending on what you're currently using. Try using it with other monitors if you have spare one at home or office. If it works with other monitors, then it's all good. But if it's not, try replacing the cable. Second, let's check your monitor. If you have a spare PC unit at home, try it out there. If it works, then it's not the monitor. If it doesn't, then it might be a faulty monitor. Cables and monitors rarely breaks earlier than the PC, but it's better to check them before we start our cleaning solutions. If you can't do the number 1 and number 2, let's just jump to number 3, assuming that your cable and your monitor is not the problem. Number 3, and the most common reason for this kinds of problem, are your RAM sticks. It just needs cleaning. So here's what you gotta do. First, turn off your PC. Unplug it and make sure there are no more power left. To do that, press the power button on your PC while it is unplugged. Remove the RAM sticks, clean it, and the RAM slots as well. Use any anti-static cleaner, or you could just use a brush like this one. So if you're done with that, place them back again and turn on your PC. If it works, then you're good to go. And again, if it doesn't work, let's try a more unique way of cleaning. This time, we're going to use an eraser like this one. If you look over the circuit connectors, there are several dark residues, and we're going to clean that using this eraser. These dark residues accumulate over time as long as you are using your PC. For some reason, this dark residue causes the motherboard to not detect the RAM sticks. And we all know that without RAM sticks, the PC will not boot at all. So after we clean those dark residues, make sure there are no more eraser dirt left before we place them back. Then turn on your PC and you're good to go. If your PC is on and your monitor is receiving signal, please let us know in the comment section below. So if the instructions earlier doesn't still work, then you are facing the worst case scenario that might cause all of this problem. This is very uncommon and it doesn't usually happen to anyone, but it might be your power supply. And the only solution for that is to replace it. This always happens to a generic power supply. So I suggest don't cheap out and buy a better one. I gave a list of trustworthy power supply in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Well, these are the common solutions if your PC is on, the fans are running, but the monitor is not receiving any signal. If you got other solutions for this problem, please let us know in the comment section below. So that's it guys, if you found this video interesting and helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and share it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.